Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $3.04 less. Automotive diesel is down by $3.03 and the price of ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by $3.02. It's costing $3.05 less for kerosene. Propane is down by $2.21 and butane will sell for $3.01 less. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.71, the Canadian dollar $98.47. The pound is going for $176.32, while the euro closed at $153.90. The JSE index lost 1,540 points today, and the junior market index is down 46 points. Among the winners, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, AMG Packaging and Paper, General Accident Insurance Company, 138 Student Living, and Panjam Investments. On the losing side were Margaritaville Turks, Key Insurance, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Blue Power Group, and Portland JSX. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.